Are you looking for the best stick vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best stick vacuums. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Shark Stratos UltraLight. The Shark Stratos UltraLight is the best stick vacuum cleaner with a corded design we've tested. While staying plugged in will limit your cleaning range compared to the cordless models on this list, you'll never have to worry about running out of charge partway through a cleaning session. This vacuum shares a few commonalities with the Shark Stratos cordless as well. This includes its DuoClean Power Fins floor head, which uses angled fins on its main roller to prevent hair from getting tangled up, and a replaceable cartridge in its floor head that emits a pleasant detergent-like scent as you clean. However, there are a few drawbacks you'll have to contend with. The primary brush roll isn't removable, so it's a chore to clear away any hair that does get stuck. Also, unlike the Stratos cordless, it doesn't have a multi-flex folding wand, so cleaning under most tables and chairs is much harder. Number 4. Wyze Cordless Vacuum. The Wyze Cordless Vacuum is the best stick vacuum cleaner we've tested in the budget range. It offers strong overall debris pickup performance on both bare floors and carpets, easily clearing away solid debris and pet hair. Unusual for a vacuum in this price range, it also features a HEPA exhaust filter that's fairly effective in trapping fine particles like dust or pet dander as you clean. Its battery performance is also strong for a budget-friendly cordless vacuum. It lasts almost an hour in its most energy-efficient mode, exceeding the pricier Samsung Jet 60 when running in a similar setting. Unfortunately, the Wyze vacuum's build quality falls short compared to the Samsung model, with the plastic used in its construction feeling somewhat thin and toy-like in places. Thankfully, maintenance is relatively easy, as you can disassemble and reassemble the vacuum without too much effort. Number 3. Samsung Jet 60 PET. The Samsung Jet 60 PET is the best stick vacuum we've tested if you're shopping for a mid-range model. Despite a shorter runtime of around 40 minutes and a less sturdy build than the Shark Stratos cordless, this model still offers a pretty impressive range of features at a lower price point. It boasts a 5-stage filtration system that traps allergens as you clean, and it comes with a miniature turbo brush that's very effective in dealing with pet hair on fabric. Performance is okay on bare floors, though it's worth noting that the bundled Jet Fit floor head can push some larger pieces of debris around instead of sucking them up, and it struggles with lifting away stubborn debris on carpeted surfaces. Another downside is that emptying its dustbin can release a cloud of dust and debris. This model can't automatically adjust its suction power. If that's a must-have feature, check out the Tin Eco Pure 1S11, but know that it's a little harder to find from most retailers than the Samsung vacuum. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless. If you're shopping at an upper mid-range price point, the Shark Stratos Cordless is a good choice. Compared to the Dyson V15 Detect, this vacuum is noticeably heavier and has a larger twin-roller floor head, so maneuvering in tight areas can be more of a hassle. However, it's cheaper and still delivers strong overall performance on most surfaces. Its CleanSense IQ system uses an infrared sensor to measure the amount of debris you suck up and automatically adjusts the suction power to match the required load. Its dustbin is bigger than the Dyson's, so you won't have to empty it as often. Another nice feature is its hinged wand, which makes cleaning under most tables and chairs much easier, as you don't have to crouch too much. A replaceable cartridge in its floor head emits a detergent-like scent to mask unpleasant odors as you clean, though that can become overwhelming if you vacuum often. While its max battery life of about an hour is good, recharging takes over 4 hours, which is much longer than the Dyson. This leads to a lot of downtime between cleaning sessions if you don't have a second fully charged battery on hand. Finally, this vacuum gets bogged down on thick carpeting. If you want a more powerful stick vacuum and are okay with losing out on the Shark's automatic power adjustment system, the Samsung Jet 75 is worth a look. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect is the best stick vacuum we've tested. It delivers superb performance on bare floors, as well as on low and high pile carpets. It can automatically adjust its suction power to adapt to the surface you're cleaning, and it also has a dirt sensor that measures and counts the size of debris sucked into the vacuum, which is helpful if you want to know about the presence of fine particles in your home. The downside of its strong suction is that it can make it hard to push around on some rugs. Its battery life depends on the setting, It can run for over 70 minutes in its most energy-efficient mode, but that drops to under 10 minutes when using its boost suction, so you'll need to work fast when cleaning stubborn messes. Unfortunately, the vacuum does feel fragile in places, which is disappointing for a vacuum at a premium price point. If you're looking for a stick vacuum that feels considerably more robust, the Miele DuoFlex HX1 is a wonderful alternative with a similar automatic power adjustment system and great overall performance. It allows for a few different configurations thanks to the inclusion of an extension hose and flexible XL crevice tool, depending on the variant, making it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach places or tasks like cleaning your couch. That said, its tiny dustbin, which is just under half the size of the Dyson's, can be a significant annoyance, as you'll need to empty it at the end of almost every cleaning session.